Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by laying the series 10 face down on a soft cloth so you avoid scratches. Once positioned, press and hold both strap release buttons at the same time. This disengages the locking mechanism. Slide the band horizontally out. Do not force it if it resists. If stuck, alternate pressing the release while sliding slowly to feel the latch disengage. Make sure to note which side is which so reassembly returns the strap to its correct orientation. Next, inspect the watch rails and the strap connector for dust or bent pins. Debris prevents a proper latch. Clean with compressed air or a soft brush. Avoid liquids. Align the new strap rail perfectly with the slot and slide it straight in. Tilting causes jams. Once it seats, listen for a click. That's the latch engaging. Give the strap a gentle tug to confirm it's secure. If it moves, remove and reseat slowly, checking alignment each time. To finish, orient the strap for comfort and adjust the buckle or loop so sensors sit flush against your wrist. Once done, wear the watch for 10 to 15 minutes and confirm heart rate and skin contact sensors read correctly. If you notice the strap slipping or the latch won't engage, remove it and closely inspect the connector and groove for tiny particles or damage. Clean and reseat. If problems persist, try a known good replacement strap to isolate whether the watch or strap is at fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.